In this video, we are going to fix Microsoft Store error code 0x80131505. So without any further ado, let's get started. The first solution that you can do is that you need to try signing out and then signing in again on your PC. So try to sign out your Microsoft account, and once you have signed it out, sign it in again and check if the error has been fixed, okay? But if not, then you need to proceed to the next solution, that is to clear the Microsoft Store cache. How we can do that? I want you to navigate at the keyboard, press Windows key and R key together, type for ws reset.exe and click on the OK button. So wait until this procedure would be finished, and once you have done it, I want you to check if the error has been resolved. If the issue still persists, then I want you to navigate to the third and last solution, and that is to run the Windows App Troubleshooter. So how we can do that? At the start, make a right click, scroll up and click on the settings. At the settings, please use the search bar here, then type for the Windows Space Store. Then wait until you can see a result where you can find and fix troubleshoot with the Windows Store apps. Click on it. And then once this window has been appearing, click on next so that you can run the troubleshooter. So this will detect problems and it will automatically fix that. Okay. So complete this procedure. It will only take less than 3 minutes to do so. Once you have done it, restart your computer and you're good to go. So if you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click or turn on the notification bell so that you will be notified for more upcoming tutorials. Thank you and have a good day.